Hey, what's up everybody? So today is going to be day 3 of our split challenge. For those of you who are joining, welcome to day 3. Let's do this thing. For those of you just watching, sit back, relax, and enjoy. Also, I actually have dance classes tonight that I'm teaching, so I'm gonna be super stretched. Definitely feeling a lot stiffer today. I was stiff yesterday, but yeah, I feel like every day is just kind of like I'm more and more in pain as I go. Same method that we've been using. Let's do it. Did y'all see that? I got further. I got further that time, and I held it longer. My legs hurt, but I held it longer. Making progress. Okay, let's do this side. Now for the splits. Let's do it. Okay. I'm gonna switch it up today, and I'm actually gonna do my right side again and hold it again, just because I feel like I can try to go a little bit lower. I'm gonna do it. Okay, we're stretched, so let's do this. And just for the record, I have been using my bed for support because I fall back if I don't. I'm gonna try it without today, though. We'll see how that goes. And if I end up falling out of it, then I'll use the bed for support again. So, we're gonna try this. Let's see how this goes. Okay, so that was a lot better than yesterday. Hey, I was able to hold my middle split without using my bed for support. So that was cool. And on top of it, I was able to get lower in my middle split, which was super cool. And my left splits are definitely coming along. I can feel myself getting further onto the ground, so that's really cool. And then my right splits, I didn't get like as low as I wanted to. However, I got a lot further than yesterday. Yesterday, I feel like was kind of like a day as far as like the splits goes. I mean, even my left yesterday was like, so that being said, anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, like and subscribe, and leave a comment. Let me know if you guys are doing this challenge with me. Let me know if you're enjoying every ounce of my pain. I want to hear it all. So I'll catch you next time. Bye.